We have a little bit different example on the board. This time we have to talk about the composite function. Okay, we have to find the derivative of a function raised to a power. So the formulas which we used before are not going to work, in order to find the derivative of this function. In this case, we are going to use chain rule in order to find the derivative of a function raised to a power. So, what we're supposed to do first? You're supposed to call the content of the parenthesis u, because we are going to use chain rule. Okay, this is u. So I have u is equal 3x minus 1. Okay, so if you want to find the derivative of it, because we have to find du over dx for this formula, we're supposed to write that du over dx is equal simply 3. Okay? Now, so what we're supposed to do? According to the formula, we're supposed to write dy over du and multiply it to du over dx. So we have y is equal, we said u to the 4th power, right? So if you want to find the dy over du, this is equal 4u 4 minus 1. This is equal 4u to the 3rd power. So how am I supposed to apply this formula, okay, in order to solve this problem? So I have dy over dx is equal dy over du. Okay, so I have 4u to the 3rd power times du over dx, okay, is equal 3. Okay, so 3 times 4 is equal 12, u to the 3rd power. And we said that u is equal 3x minus 1. So this is equal 12, 3x minus 1 to the 3rd power. And this is the solution to my problem.